Hi guys, that happy bowl is officially won. And to celebrate, we are making a very Goan dessert recipe which is Serradura or the Portuguese Sawdust Pudding. It requires minimal number of ingredients and yet it's very elegant. Let's see how to make it. We need Marie biscuit or Maria cookies, heavy cream, vanilla extract and condensed milk. I'm using 200 grams of Maria cookies which are the same as Marie biscuits. Using a mixie, make a fine powder out of the Maria cookies. You can also use a Ziploc bag and a rolling pin to crush the cookies. Look, the powder resembles that of sawdust and hence it is called the sawdust pudding. Set it aside. For the heavy cream, use 473 ml, which is about 2 cups. Using a hand mixer, we are going to beat this until it forms stiff peaks. You can also use a mixie jar, just don't let it get into the butter stage. At this stage, add the condensed milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. If you don't want to add the essence, that's fine, you can skip it. Fold in all the ingredients until everything is well incorporated. I'm just adding the remainder of the condensed milk. Now we have our ingredients ready. We are going to start layering. We are going to start with the biscuit crumbs and then add the cream. And then alternate the layers until you fill up the glass. The traditional version of Serradura calls for Maria cookies, but you can use any tea time biscuits such as digestive biscuits, or even if you prefer like chocolatey, you can use Oreo cookies. But this is the basic plain version of the sawdust pudding, which consists of Maria cookies and the cream and condensed milk mixture. We are now going to end this with a layer of cream. Just level it so that it looks a little bit nicer and then sprinkle some cookie crumbs on top. See, this is the basic Serradura. But I'm also going to add some chocolate shavings for that extra look. And of course, a cherry on top. We are now going to refrigerate this for about 6 hours or overnight. Let me also quickly show you a variation. I am adding about 2.5 teaspoons of cocoa powder to the biscuit crumbs. Start layering the cups as usual with the biscuit layer and then the cream texture. Also end it with the biscuit crumbs. Also sprinkle some grated chocolate on top. For chocolate fans, you can also sprinkle some cocoa powder. Just dust the surface. Add cherry and then also sprinkle some cherry juice for that nice beautiful color. Again, this needs refrigeration for 6 hours or overnight. Be generous with the cream layer. You don't want too much biscuit crumbs because you may end up coughing. Now after 6 hours, our pudding is all set and ready. Let's check it. See, it looks so beautiful. The layers, the chocolate shavings and the cherry gives it a very elegant look. It is liked by kids as well as adults. Look, the texture is so good. A tip here, freeze the leftover cream and you have a beautiful vanilla ice cream. If you like this recipe, let me know in the comment section. Stay fit, stay happy. Until next time, take care.